Good morning, my loves. It's your girl, Jahari Williams, Realtor here, helping you call the right place for your future. Today, I want to talk about home court advantage. It's all about home equity and appreciation. Home equity is the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe. Every mortgage payment you make, that's running the play to build your wealth, one smart move at a time. Appreciation is like DeMar DeRozan's free throw percentage, steady, reliable, and always climbing. Just like DeRozan at the line, your home's value grows over time, adding points to your scoreboard without you even breaking a sweat. Owning your home gives you home court advantage, more control, more equity, a strong lead towards generational wealth. And just a note, the numbers and addresses you see in this illustration are just estimates, examples to show you how the play is drawn up. Your real stats will be personalized to you. If you're ready to look and explore home ownership, home equity, first-time home buyers programs, all of those things, give me a call. Have a great day, guys.